Hello, I'm Diana. I want to welcome you to this meditation. Replace fear with love. Find yourself a quiet spot where you can be undisturbed for a little while. Somewhere where you can set your phone or device down, pop your earphones in and get comfortable. You might like to sit with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Or maybe you'd rather put your feet up. Go with whatever feels best to you. If you'd rather lie down, that's totally fine too. Just try to choose a place you don't usually sleep, so it's easier to stay awake throughout this meditation. Make sure that you're warm enough. Maybe grab a cozy blanket if you need one. And then just let yourself settle in and allow my voice to gently guide you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go of the day. Allow your body to gently settle into comfort. Feel the surface beneath you, steady, reliably, beautifully supportive. Let your shoulders melt down and let your jaw soften and your breath deepen. With every inhale, invite a sense of peaceful presence. With every exhale, release the weight of fear, tension, and expectation. This is your sacred moment to reconnect to yourself, to truth, and to love. Your words, both spoken aloud and whispered silently within, carry extraordinary power. They shape the inner landscape of your mind, planting seeds that blossom into thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you choose to be impeccable with your word, you become the loving gardener of your own fertile inner ground, nourishing it with honesty, compassion, and light. Take a slow, rich breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Now imagine your mind as a beautiful, lush garden. The soil is soft and alive with possibility. Notice the plants growing there, some strong and radiant, others perhaps small, timid or tangled in shadows. With your next breath, bring awareness to the words you've spoken to yourself lately. Which ones have grown from fear? Which ones have bloomed from love? There's no need for judgment here, only tender observation. Your awareness alone begins the transformation. Now imagine a brilliant golden light, warm, radiant, and alive, pouring down from above, gently touching the crown of your head. This light represents love, the pure, unshakable kind that frees and heals. As it moves through you, it tenderly dissolves every seed of fear, melting away harsh words, dissolving self-doubt, softening old pain. In their place, it plants new seeds, words of truth, gentleness, and faith. Now gently repeat to yourself or whisper softly aloud. I choose to speak with love. I choose to think with kindness. My words create harmony and healing within me and around me. I choose to speak with love. I choose to think with kindness. My words create harmony and healing within me and around me. I choose to speak with love. I choose to think with kindness. My words create harmony and healing within me and around me. I choose to speak with love. I choose to think with kindness. My words create harmony and healing within me and around me. I choose to speak with love. I choose to think with kindness. My words create harmony and healing within me and around me. Feel these words taking root in your mind, growing strong, and radiant like sunlight after the rain. Take a few slow, intentional breaths. Feel gratitude for your awareness, your growth, and your gentle courage. You are learning to speak from love to yourself, to others, and to the world. And as you do, your life becomes a reflection of that love. When you are ready, bring your attention back to your surroundings. Move your fingers a little and wiggle your toes a bit. And then gently open your eyes and carry this warm light of love with you into your day. When you feel called to do so, please feel free to journal a bit about this experience that you've had with this meditation. And remember, you can keep these feelings of warm light and of love with you for however long you would like. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Till next time, bye.